Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code in Among Us and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
SEPA understand error code's meaning. Content error code, in Among Us primarily, indicates a problem with the game's connection to its servers. This can manifest as an inability to join, games getting stuck on the connecting screen, or experiencing frequent disconnections during gameplay. It typically points towards issues with your internet connection, the game's server status, or local network configurations interfering with the game's communication protocols. Recognizing this code as a network-related issue is the first step towards effectively troubleshooting it. Step perform basic restarts. Content a fundamental first step for resolving most software glitches, including network errors, is to perform a series of restarts. Begin by closing Among Us completely and then relaunching it. If the issue persists, restart your gaming device, mobile console. Finally, consider restarting your router and modem by unplugging them from power for at least 2 seconds before plugging them back in and allowing them to fully boot up. This process can clear temporary network caches and re-establish a stable connection. Verify your internet connection stability. Content's error code is often network-related. Ensure your internet connection is stable, and robust test your internet speed using an online speed test to confirm you have adequate bandwidth. Check if other online applications or games are functioning correctly to rule out a general internet outage. If you are using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router, or if possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for your core console, as this often provides a more reliable and stable connection, reducing potential interference. Step check Among Us server status and region. Content Among Us servers can occasionally experience downtime or overload, leading to error code. Before assuming a local issue, check the official Among Us Twitter account or other reputable server status websites for any announced outages or maintenance. If the servers appear operational, try changing your in-game server region. Navigate to the globe icon in the bottom right corner of the main menu and select a different region, preferably one geographically closer to you or known for better performance, to see if it resolves the connection issue.
Step implement advanced network troubleshooting or installation content. If the previous steps haven't resolved error code, more advanced troubleshooting may be necessary. Ensure your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Among Us, temporarily disabling them for a test with caution, or adding an exception for the game executable might help. If you use a try disabling this can sometimes interfere with game connections. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Among Us. This can fix corrupted game files that might be causing connection anomalies.